I know the price of success, dedication, hard work, and remaining devotion to the things you want to see happen. The price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination that whatever we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand. If you put forth the effort, good things will be bestowed upon you. The only two things in this world you can control are your effort and your attitude. You are your greatest asset. Put your time, effort and money into training, grooming and encouraging your greatest asset. Discontent, blaming, complaining, self-pity cannot serve as foundation, good future, no matter how much effort you make. You have reached the pinnacle of success as soon as you become understood in money, compliments, or publicity. Discipline not just determines success but determines how long you can stay successful. The speed of your success is limited only by your dedication and what you are willing to sacrifice. The height of your account compliments will equal the depth your conversations. Without commitment, you cannot have depth in anything. The biggest commitment you must keep is your commitment to yourself. Motivation is what gets you started. Commitment is what keeps you going. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret and disappointment. It's been said that there are only two pains in life: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret, and that discipline weighs on us while regret weighs stones. Discipline trains you to put up with disappointment. Every rose has a thorn. The fact is, discipline is only punishment when imposed on you by someone else. When you discipline yourself, it's not punishment but empowerment. Without self-discipline, success is impossible. Period. The discipline is the key to success of your life. Propose without that you reach no anywhere. Your level of success is determined by your level of discipline and perseverance. The ability to discipline yourself to daily gratification in the short term in order to enjoy greater rewards in the long term in the impossible requisite for success. The discipline you enforce today determines the success you will enjoy tomorrow. Discipline not just determines success but determines how long you can stay successful. The discipline is the key to success of your life. Suppose without that, you reach no anywhere. All success begins with self-discipline. It starts with you. Self-discipline is about controlling your desire and impulse while staying focused on what needs to get done to achieve your goal. Self-discipline is a great time server. It is the ability to make yourself work on only those things that are most important to you.